Hello everyone, my name is Anisatul Firdausia. I am a student at UIN Madura. Today, I would like to share my journey in learning language, especially English. I started learning English when I was in elementary school. At that time, I learning simple vocabulary such as colors, numbers, animal, days, and much. I was interested in English because it sounded different from Indonesian. However, I also found it quite difficult because many of the words were unfamiliar to me. I realized that English is an international language used by many people around the world. Therefore, I wanted to learn it better so that I could communicate with more people and gain more knowledge. My learning journey has been quite long and full of challenges during elementary school. I often had difficulty memorizing vocabulary. Sometimes I could remember the word for a test, but I failed. Days later, I won't forget them. I also struggled with pronunciation because some English words are not pronounced the way they are written. When I, when I entered junior school, English lesson became more challenging. I started learning grammar, reading, writing, and speaking in English. I had to memorize more vocabulary and understand longer text. And that time I often felt nervous when my teacher asked me to read or speak English in front of the class because I was afraid of making mistakes. However, I kept trying because I know what making mistake is part of the learning process. When I entered senior high school, I became more serious about learning English. I studied various types of texts, more grammar rules, and a wider range of vocabulary. I often complete English assessment and tried to understand material from books and the internet. One of my biggest challenges was understand words with similar meanings as look, see, and watch. Although they seem similar, they are used in different discussions. This often confuses me. One of the most memorable moments is my learning journey was when I successfully understood a simple English article without translating every word. I felt very proud because it showed that my English skills were improving. Another memorable experience was when I completed an English assessment successfully and received an exciting result. This experience motivated me to continue learning. Now, as a student at UIN Madura, I am still learning English. At university, English is very important because many books, articles, and academic resources are written in English. Therefore, I continue to improve my English skill by reading, practicing, and learning new vocabulary. I believe that learning English is a long process, but with patience, consistency, and hard work, I can continue to improve and achieve my goals. Thank you for listening to my story. Dadah!